The common Iora has 11 subspecies, with a body weight ranging from 14 to 19 grams and a length of 11.5 to 16 centimeters. This bird produces several types of calls, including a single tremolo or a whistling sound with a sharp pow burst, such as cheeepow. It is found in countries like Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei, Cambodia, and China. The common Iora primarily inhabits secondary broadleaf forests, mixed woodlands, and forest edges in lowland hills and plains below 1,600 meters in elevation. Its diet consists mainly of insects, fruits, and plant seeds. It is often seen moving and foraging in trees or shrubs, hopping discreetly between branches of leafy trees. The breeding season runs from April to July, with nests built on small trees or shrubs in evergreen broadleaf forests. Each clutch contains 2 to 4 eggs. Occasionally, unfortunate individuals may even end up raising cuckoo chicks.